Welcome to Saturday, y'all. We're about to make a sunshine salad to go with breakfast today. It's supposed to rain today, so we're gonna make a little sunshine salad. I was gonna use my fresh pineapple, but when I was down there looking for mandarin oranges, I found this crushed pineapple, so we're gonna use this instead. I'm gonna save that pineapple for when we grill out one day. I wanna do some grilled pineapple, and I need the liquid from inside here to help make the pudding because we're gonna use 1 box of vanilla instant pudding to go in here. So we're just going to use these fresh oranges here instead. You can change it up a little bit. I almost went with peaches. Just like any kind of yellow or orange fruits will work good for this. You definitely want the bananas though. Okay, so I'm going to pour in this whole can of crushed pineapple is what I have. Tidbits would be better or chunks, but we're using what we have here. This crushed will be fine. And for the bananas, you want to use some that are still really firm. You don't want the banana pudding bananas for these, or the dirty ones as Manly calls them because they have all the brown spots. You want really fresh ones. So when you make this, it needs to go in the refrigerator for at least an hour. I'm gonna do some pretty big chunks of banana since my pineapple is crushed. So yeah, it's called sunshine salad because it's all the, you know, sunny colors. I think I'm gonna make hash browns, bacon, and eggs for breakfast, so this will go really good with that. Okay, now for the oranges, we need to peel them so we can slice them up and put them in. Okay, now we just sprinkle in the whole pack of vanilla pudding, and we're gonna gently mix that in so we don't smush any of our bananas or oranges. And so once this sits for a while in the refrigerator, the pudding sets up and it's a really creamy fruit salad. Okay, I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator, go get ready, then we'll strike up the Blackstone. Can you shut the door?
Buddy, how are you doing that?
I don't know. Is that what it is? Saturday morning breakfast, everybody.
And it's not raining yet. We'll keep our hopes up that it won't rain.
You can always tell if the Blackstone's off level.
Off level, yeah. And that egg runs. Can you pour it? That'd be something fun for you to do this morning.
Kids, please gather around. I'm fixing to have fun. Woo! You talking about having a good time on this Saturday morning. That's what I'm talking about.
So far, so good, y'all. I mean, there are clouds in the sky, but no rain yet. I didn't come out and water earlier because I thought it was gonna rain. I was just gonna let the rain do it, but here we are. How is everyone? Sounded like Clara on the Andy Griffith Show, the episode where Aunt Bee's rose gets broken. She's talking to her flowers. Look at him, the gardener. Don't forget about the grow bags.
What I am going to go get today is some okra.
Yeah, and we're gonna get some marigolds because so many of y'all have told me to plant marigolds around and it'll keep the bugs off because they don't like the marigolds. And he wants to see if he can find some okra. Okay, y'all, before we leave to go on the hunt for okra and marigolds, I'm gonna go ahead and start supper in the slow cooker. This is gonna be another recipe in the slow cooker video that I'm pretty sure is gonna go up Monday. Y'all don't forget about that one. It's got a fun surprise in it. Broke a rule. He turned on his windshield wipers.
We get on this ride every Saturday and just have the time of our life.
Look at the colors. Look at the colors, everyone.
I've even been known to close my eyes and hold my hand up.
If you want to be like on one of the like River Rampage or anything like that, just crack your window just a little, and boom, you're on River Rampage. We are just joking, y'all. Please don't do that.
I mess you Saturday morning up.
Yeah, I would like to be on River Rampage right now, though. Can't you imagine?
Looking zip-tastic, good gracious.
You want to do it again?
That was something.
Need help?
I'm a big boy.
Okay. Good job. Oh no, he's looking at the trees again. Looking at the trees. Found some better ones? Oh look, those are good right there. Oh, that is pretty. Where's Daddy? Oh, he's still at the trees. These are really pretty. What are they called? Trophy wife?
Mama, mine got Poland.
Oh, that's okay. Let's see if we have any okra. We have tomato, thyme, cucumber, eggplant, cantaloupe, basil, sage, parsley, peppermint, oregano, dill, more cucumber, watermelon. I'm not seeing any okra, Dad. A nut tree? What kind of nut? They have some new summer things over here. Oh, this lemon tree is pretty. How much are you? I don't know, the $20. Pull up a branch and stay a while. Oh, look at this. That's adorable. What does this one say? Cool chick. And it's got popsicles. These planters are pretty. We have asparagus, garlic, rhubarb, onion. It's just not meant for you to grow some okra. It is just not meant. $200. I did see somebody getting one time. Please close the gate. Chicken crossing. My roost, my rules. Welcome to the funny farm. He ran into somebody he knows. We getting relaxed over here. We got some caramel corn, cheddar cheese. What is this one down here? Butter? No, English toffee. Oh, you got 2 dogwoods? No pecan? I thought we were getting a pecan tree.
I don't know how long it take them to grow, baby.
A long time. We would probably be grandma and grandpa.
Harvest any of them.
Yeah, we'd be grandma and grandpa. Maybe even great.
It would be aliens if we could harvest them.
All right, y'all, we're back home. I'm just gonna make some grilled cheese sandwiches real quick for lunch. Sliced Gouda and this Chipotle cheddar. Also singles for Titus, because that's what he likes. You like cheese the most?
Yeah, not grilled cheese.
Not grilled cheese? I'm gonna put a little bacon right here. A little bacon right here. I think the boys decided to go fishing instead of the rodeo, or they might do both. They're going fishing right now. I do believe the weatherman was wrong. I do not think it's gonna rain. All right, y'all, we're about to go plant the marigolds, and Titus is gonna plant his trees. I'm not sure what's going on with him and the trees. He's like getting lots of trees. I don't know. Anyway, I did get a few things from Tractor Supply, and we stopped by Ingles because ice cream. It's the weekend. It's Memorial Day weekend. There must be ice cream. It's been a minute, so we're gonna make some peach. Ingles finally had some peaches. We're really excited. So we got the rock salt peaches, sweetened condensed milk, and we decided to make some refried beans with the cilantro lime tacos tonight, so we got those. I'm just gonna cook it on the Blackstone too. I'm just gonna take the skillet out there and put those beans in there. We're gonna put a little bit of green chilies in there with them. Then I got some salsa in case anybody wanted to put salsa, you know, just on top of their taco. I got this Old El Paso zesty ranch sauce. It looks really good. And Ingles has these mason jars. It's their manager special. They're like $2 and something for these little jars. I got a pack a couple of weeks ago and I was hoping that they still had some, and they did. So I grabbed another box of those. Titus got some honey, and I think that's it. And then from Tractor Supply, we got 2 of these cups. They were only $8, and they're just like the Tervis cups. Y'all know those? You see, like, we see them at the mountains is most of the time where I see them. Anyway, these aren't Tervis, but they look just like them. This one says Cool Chick, and the chick has popsicles. Oh my goodness. And then this one says Yeehaw. And I got this basket. I thought I might use this as the egg basket, but it's really, really pretty. I might use it for like some kind of something else instead. And I got this watering can for the flowers on the porch so I don't have to drag the hose all the way around here, and some gloves. We're about to use these to go plant these marigolds.